I'm sure you've seen setups like this. A camera setup where it gives everything, like say lighting, microphone, stabilizer rig, all in one. I'm sure it probably might give you say like an interesting price there. But the only problem with these cheap ass systems is that the video quality is probably not quality at all. I think you call it probably. Anybody call the quality, they call it shitty by comparison. But the fun part with this video is we're gonna show you a better way to have such a setup like this, but with a quality video camera. That's what we're gonna show in this video here. Well, we'll show the whole process how you make all this work. One, you'd have to purchase all these items. And even if the camcorder you buy with an external microphone input is from reputable company like Canon, whatever, and that's one of the external microphone inputs, you'll at least get better quality, especially with Canon. Because the Vixia HF4800 you see here is definitely the most affordable camcorder that has an external microphone input, but also is the most affordable one that is also capable of filming in 24 frames per second. It only films at say 1080p, but even then, would it matter? At least you can still make quality YouTube videos with that. Well, you just need figure now let's go with the first part of the process. Figure you have the stabilizer rig. What you need to do is get one of these shoe mount adapters. Figure, see that? What you gotta do is mount the shoe mount adapter. This is like a Z deal. You can get a say stabilizer rig with say a screw on the bottom there. One course of action you should do is I like that. Make sure it's aligned. Oh yeah, this particular. I want to make sure it's properly aligned because I figured this out. You probably don't it doesn't include a case or anything for carrying it, but don't matter. Now we just need to get the 3-in-1 shoe mount. Hook that into the make sure it's a fucking snuggie ass. Gotta make sure it's aligned. Now you take the camcorder out and the rig there in the bottom. Don't make this too tight. You want to make sure you want to try and make sure this camera is aligned. if it's lined from the centers here, and he's in the center, whatever, a precise alignment there, and then it could easily fit in whatever stabilizer, stabilizer it could fit right into the tripod. Well, the camera's probably a little bit offset there. And then to say for the light, you want these setups right here. Figure this camera light here came with this. Something that could be adjusted like that. What I just do is mount this on the top on the shoe mount that has but then now you just don't mount the light on top of it. If I'm far about this. Make sure that the lights make sure that's properly aligned. Then using the second part of the shoe adapter there, you can either hook your shotgun microphone hook up your shotgun microphone to that. Now all you have to just do is plug the microphone into the camera's external power input, say microphone input. You can use a shotgun microphone if it has a power source, like say it runs on a battery, or you can use a directional microphone. Wait, just to trim me on this. Yeah. All I have to just do is plug it into your microphone input. And smooth sailing. Smooth sailing right there for a how-to video. I never seen a. Why am spending money on a cheap ass on camera rig, whatever, that has all that shit, but it's not gonna give you decent video, but it's not gonna probably get you a suitable quality video, and you could just say, spend the money on a say buy a video camera and just buy all this shit there. Shoe mount adapters, drain one mounts, light, microphones, stabilizer, whatever. Buy all that shit separately. And you'll probably get better quality video in the process. And here's what the camera rig will look like with the shotgun microphone attached. But also the shotgun microphone needs to have an adapter that fits on the needs to have means to shoe mount. Otherwise it will not work at all. Or if you want to fuck with them, just hook them both up and just zoom out or hook them both up. Just to fucking irritate them if you want. Sure, a little weight, that gives a little bit of fucking weight there. But I do not recommend this. Like you want to screw with somebody, you want to screw with people. Or screw his popular YouTubers, he uses fucking DSLR cameras or his fucking mirrorless cameras to do their fucking video vlogs, or I mean video blogs, or I mean vlogs. Like you want to really irritate them. This is a good fucking way to irritate them. And this is all, if I make a fucking has an external microphone and provides the same decent quality video at a fraction of the price. Well, at least the people recommending video, even then, I've seen people making video camera recommendations, whatever, for videos, and at least they're using a suitable memory card from SanDisk, which is like all my video cameras use. Camera I'm using to film this video, there's the DSLR camera, even that Canon digital camera you saw me unbox some time back. They all use SanDisk cameras. No, I mean SanDisk memory cards. Even my Fire 7 tablet I currently use has one. Even my audio recorder has. Even this has a SanDisk card in here. There's one of those micro SD HC ones. I guess from the looks of it. Maybe I should declare SanDisk the official memory card for the bottom of the barrel. I'm not fucking kidding you. Other than that, this is definitely a good quality video right here. A nice video that's in 60 frames per second. Makes it suitable for television. If it was professional video. Oh yeah. Well, something else. Figure you could probably fit these by doing a stabilizer rig. Just have it mounted into the bottom there. You could practically use the camera system to shoot videos even with a tripod. This makes it more interesting. But it's just to show what the whole setup would look like mounted on a tripod. If you can. Yeah, I figure if you want to use lighting, or if you wanted to say turn your microphone on when it's attached. That's Vixia, and all this shit here would probably Why you sit there and buy one of his shitty goddamn, buy one of his fucking mirrorless cameras, one of his DSLR cameras, and spend a shitload of fucking money on it. Especially when it has an external microphone. That does cost so much goddamn money. And that does not include that does not include the cost of fucking lenses. Big one of these. Way better price. Way better price anyway. Way better price for it anyway. And it zooms and everything, and it focuses. That's way better. That's way better beginner camera for making YouTube videos. A way fucking better beginner's camera, for real. And you can say that's pretty much the video right there.